For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Because of the consistent turn of events and promotion of the thoughts of the digital money local area, the advanced crypto market needs new specialized and reasonable arrangements that could further develop client cooperation with crypto. One of these ventures is the Cosmos organization and its inward advanced coin atom. Cosmos is a biological system comprised of blockchains that can associate with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was disconnected and couldn't meet with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Also, it was hard to accomplish high exchange speed. Be that as it may, Cosmos offers another innovative vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains function as free equals, controlled by the Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint Agreement, made by X100 in 2014. Universe makes an environment of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Cosmos project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the communication objectives: versatility, Byzantine fault tolerance, proof-of-stake calculation, and cross-blockchain bands. In a couple of words, Byzantine fault tolerance, BFT, is a property of a framework equipped for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the problems of Byzantine generals. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting vindictively. Adaptability is a fundamental component of any venture pointed towards supporting future application improvement. Universe will likely expand its versatility utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones work in lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, arrangement convention, and essential language. The POS strategy depends on a bunch of semi-confiding hubs forecasting a ballot by blocks. However long in excess of a fourth of the democratic hubs tell the truth, the convention will work with next to no issues. Agreement hubs need to give a portion of Atom tokens as security. Any hub that observes that it is acting with noxious expectation will be erased from the framework, and its atoms will be singed. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, are synchronized with the focal Cosmos hub. Nonetheless, they likewise send off the full hub on the inverse blockchain on the opposite side of the extension to affirm that the relating sum has been fixed. Unique tokens are obstructed in a situation with a few marks until the extension confirmation device opens them. Appropriately, it annihilates the tokens in the cross-chain. This approach permits clients to move advanced resources in various chains. IOTA is a local digital currency used to pay exchange expenses at the Cosmos fundamental focus and partake in the agreement cycle. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cosmos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cosmos will be $12.39. The greatest level that the atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. Particle price forecast for May 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Cosmos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical atom pace of $10.19 in May 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $9.32 and at $10.48, separately. June 2022, Cosmos price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the atom cost in June 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $10.01, while the greatest could reach $10.89 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Cosmos may be around $10.40. IOTA price forecast for July 2022. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Cosmos in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal atom rate they foresee may be around $10.71 in July 2022. It can drop to $10.22 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $11.31. August 2022, Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022. The atom cost will be exchanged at $11.14 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cosmos worth to $11.84. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $10.75 in August 2022. Molecule price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Cosmos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $11.58. The most minimal and top atom rates may be $11.20 and $12.29. October 2022, Cosmos price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the atom cost will be around $12.05. In October 2022, the Cosmos cost might drop to at least $11.56. The normal pinnacle worth may be $12.87 in October 2022. IOTA price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Cosmos costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the atom rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the anticipated normal of Cosmos is almost $12.29. December 2022, Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Cosmos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the atom cost could change somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Universe price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cosmos in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Cosmos will be around $18.42. The most extreme expected atom cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Universe price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Cosmos, in 2024, Atom is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $26.03 and $32.11, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Universe price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Cosmos and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base atom cost could drop to $38.62, while its